I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cannoli filling without ricotta. You have several excellent options to create a delicious, creamy base. Mascarpone cheese is a fantastic choice for its richness, while cream cheese offers a delightful tang. You can also combine different dairy products to achieve a texture very similar to traditional ricotta. Let's explore these alternatives and craft a perfect filling. Once you've selected your base, the preparation begins. Make sure your cheese is at room temperature. This makes it much easier to work with. Beat the cheese until it's wonderfully light and fluffy, ensuring there are no lumps. Then, slowly incorporate powdered sugar, tasting as you go, to reach your ideal level of sweetness. This step is crucial for a smooth, delightful filling. Now for the exciting part, adding flavor. Stir in some vanilla extract or a bit of fresh citrus zest for a bright, aromatic touch. For classic cannoli notes, consider a pinch of cinnamon or some mini chocolate chips. If your filling seems a little too thick, a small splash of milk or cream will help achieve that perfect, smooth consistency. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Almost ready to enjoy. It's important to chill your filling for at least 30 minutes. This helps it firm up beautifully. When you're ready to serve, use a piping bag to neatly fill your cannoli shells. This ensures a clean and professional look. Finally, garnish your delicious creations with chopped pistachios or a light dusting of powdered sugar for that perfect finishing touch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.